Hey guys, welcome back to another Python lesson, and this lesson we're specifically going to be going over built-in functions. So what is a built-in function? Well, a built-in function is exactly what it sounds like, and that is a function already built into Python. So we don't have to create ourselves from scratch, but it is already set up and declared in Python. So we're going to take a look at a couple of built-in functions. The first one we're going to be looking at is the round function, which we have already used several times in this course. So we're going to create a variable and we're going to call it age, and we're going to do like 18.9. So this is our age right here, and it has the value of 18.9. Now we want to round this to the nearest integer. So to do that, all we have to do is age equals round, and this round is the function right here, which you can see function. So this is a built-in function in Python where we don't have to actually create the function ourselves, but instead it's already automatically created in Python. So now we just throw our age into this round function, and then we can print our new age like so. And now we should have the rounded value of age, which should be 19. And that's exactly what we have here. So this is the first example of a built-in function. Let's take a look at a couple more that we've been using throughout this entire course. So here we have another example of using a built-in function. So the first one that we're going to look at is this input function right here. So right here you can see that it says function. So this is another example of a built-in function. We did not have to create this input function, but you can see that it works, and all it does is it takes input from the user via the terminal, and then it stores it into our variable right here. And then we have another function right here with this int class. This is also a function, even though it's this class, that converts a string into an integer. And then of course we have our most famous built-in function, the print function. And all this does is it prints data or any value to the terminal. So here you can see that we have actually a whole list of functions that we've been using throughout this entire course that we just had no idea that they were functions. So now if we run this, what we should get is it says enter a number, or we're going to do 6, and we should have 11 as our output. And it says we have an error right here, and that is because we are adding a string to an integer, and that just does not work. So we should actually be using number int and not number. So now if we clear this and save and run, do 6, then everything works perfectly. So that is built-in functions in Python. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you in my next lesson.